Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anusha and the topic of my presentation is monochromatic color scheme. Before starting this presentation, let me tell you something more interesting. One can speak poetry just by arranging color well. Here I am saying that colors can talk. My favorite writer has written that red color says remember me. She linked this color with death and it's true. Basically, red is related to death, fire and sunset. This color has an advantage to be remembered always. On the other way, different colors communicate in different ways. It is just the example of red. Now coming to the main topic, what is monochromatic color scheme? So monochromatic is the combination of two words mono and chroma. Mono means single and chroma means color. Monochrome is a single color and monochromatic color scheme is a range between darker and lighter shades of hue. And there are many forms of colors like primary, tertiary and secondary. The monochromatic color is using a single color and getting a different shades and tint according to our requirement. We are adding black and white. If we see catalog, we will find different shades of hue. If someone is looking at a portrait, it affects people in the way they perceive it. Maybe it is aesthetic or maybe it is any other way. In this given color, you can watch the value of red, how they become darker and darker and how they are getting lightened and lightened. Hue is the form of color. Any color we are seeing on a color wheel, it is called hue. Addition of white in hue, it is called tint. Addition of white in a hue means we are lighting this color. Shade, addition of black in a hue, addition of black in any color means that we are darkening that color. The sequence from the darker to the lighter one, it gives us a value. Now coming to the tone mean adding gray to the original color. Addition of gray result duller the original one. In this picture you can see that how each segment represent the family of hue and how they make the monochromatic color scheme. In last, some points are shown you to tell you why we are using this scheme. Firstly, it's create a harmony and a balance of look, seeks attention, and it create a perfect picture to creating some sense of calmness. In this painting, you can see that how artists beautifully arrange shades and tints of blue and red.